This is what I would do. I would go to any of these Islamic countries, Turkey or Malaysia or Indonesia, and ask them for support, for manpower, Islamic people, or ask them to come to Somalia, fight the insurgents. This is what I would do. First thing I would do when I'm in Villa Somalia, madaxtooyada dalka Somalia, what I would do is I would fire all the warlords in my government. Qaybdiid has to go. Yusuf Indacadde has to go. Salaad Ali Chelle has to go. Mohammed Dera has to go. All these fuckers, they gotta go. Just like that. Wabahayan. They have to go first. I hope the Islamic manpower will come, you know, the military power of Somalia, and they will help me to fight the insurgents. I would focus on Maghalada Mogadishu. There will be a winner in Mogadishu. When Mogadishu is in the hands of the government, then the rest is also the rest we can win also, Marcas. Then I would recognize the state of Somaliland as an independent country. Would make a deal with them to hand me over some of their troops, you know, Somali troops. I'll ask Djibouti to give me also some troops, peacekeeping troops, Somali peacekeeping troops. So the insurgents, the Al-Shababists, you know, who are killing the people in Somalia, will have no chance, and they will not say they're fighting Galo. Absolutely. Absolutely. I would make a winner out of all of it. Puntland will support me because I have a Djibouti Prime Minister, absolutely. Someone like Umar Boor or Futole, I don't know, maybe someone like them.